In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact form in Blogger. If you want to make it easier for visitors to reach out to you directly from your blog, adding a contact form is a simple and useful feature. It gives your readers a clear way to send messages without needing to display personal contact details publicly on your site. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add it using Blogger's built-in tools. Start by going to your Blogger dashboard. This is the main control area where you manage your blog's content, design, and settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Layout. The Layout section is where you can control the structure of your blog and decide which elements appear in different areas of the page. After the Layout page opens, find a section such as the sidebar or the footer. The exact section may vary depending on the theme you're using, so don't worry if your layout looks a little different. What you're looking for is a place where you'd like the contact form to appear. For most blogs, the sidebar or footer works well because it keeps the form accessible without interrupting the main content. Once you've chosen the area, click Add a Gadget. This will open a pop-up window containing the available gadgets you can insert into your Blogger layout. Take a moment to scroll through the list until you find the option called Contact Form. When you see it, select it to open the gadget settings. Now you'll be asked to enter a title for the form. This title is what visitors will see above the contact form on your blog, so choose something clear and straightforward, such as Contact Us or Send a Message. A simple title helps readers immediately understand the purpose of the form. After entering the title, click Save. This will add the contact form gadget to the section you selected in your layout. Once it's saved, your form should be ready to appear on your blog. As a quick tip, after saving, it's a good idea to preview your blog and check that the form is displayed in a clean, easy-to-find spot. If needed, you can always return to the layout section later and move the gadget to a different area that better suits your design. That's all it takes to add a contact form in Blogger. It's a fast setup, and it can make your blog much more interactive and professional by giving visitors a direct way to get in touch.